Tennant Company is a world leader in the industrial and commercial cleaning equipment and solutions space.
You'll find our products in airports, retail stores, office buildings, schools, hospitals.
Technology and innovation differentiates Tennant's products from our competitors in the marketplace, including our Internet of Things solution, which is called IRIS.
IRIS stands for Intelligent Remote Information System. It's a telemetry system that will collect sensor information, send it up to a cloud.
Our largest customers were telling us that they needed a system to help them manage and drive results.
Innovative technology solutions like IRIS offer customers a way to better leverage their assets, better leverage the labor using these assets.
We thought about speed to market and how do we move quickly. And when we looked at it, we realized we needed to bring in partners. So we approached SAP, who we use for our ERP system, and they recommended Telit.
We have Telit, both hardware and software, on Tennant machines, including the DeviceWise platform and the ability to manage the data plans that communicate from our machines on a daily basis. We are creating an innovative value proposition to customers to better manage their assets or fleets of Tennant machines and ensure they are lowering their cost of clean by getting effective key performance indicators. Another value proposition is internal operating efficiencies for Tennant, and that includes both engineering value from seeing machine data trended over time, as well as field service efficiencies and having visibility to machines' real-time information from our field service force.
We had one customer who indicated to us that they lost upwards of 10% of their equipment year over year. And what we're able to do with the cellular trilateration location services that we have and the geofencing capabilities is to be able to provide critical alerts when those pieces of equipment move.
It has allowed us to secure large deals globally. It has allowed us to go deeper with existing customers. When I think about the future, I think there's a tremendous amount of opportunity to collect diagnostic information to help customers know when their machines are down or help predict when it will be down.